guys, what is up? My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. Today I'm going to be opening a new subscription box. I've actually opened this one time already on my channel. I will link that right above for y'all so you can go check it out. I got that first box. They were doing a little promotion and I got it for free, which was absolutely awesome because the stuff inside of it was so great. And one of the things inside of there was the Michael Kors sparkling blush perfume, and this stuff smells amazing. You can see how much I've used of it already, and I don't own a lot of perfumes, and I'm not really that picky, I guess, about perfumes, but this smells awesome, and that was awesome to get in that box. So this is what the box looks like for spring. This is a box that is just like FabFitFun. It comes like quarterly. This is called Spiritu, and I think this box is just so pretty. I love that. I love the green and blue. Actually kind of matches my hair a bit. But this is geared more towards Latinas, and I always say that wrong, I think, Latinas. But I've always thought Latinas were like absolutely gorgeous, and I really don't think this box is, it's geared more towards them, but at the same time, obviously I'm not, and it works well for me. So I think this box really could work well for like anybody, like no matter what color you are or what, you know what I'm saying. So this gears towards, I think, just like everyone. So this box is originally $39.99 a month. It has over $160 worth of stuff, but I got this one for 50% off for like a spring coupon. I'm not quite sure if they still have it going on or not. If they do, I will link it down below. So I got it for like $20. I didn't purchase this. Matt asked me what I wanted for Mother's Day, and he was going to get me the new Jeffree Star concealer. The concealer is like $26, I think. And I'm like, why not get this box for 20 bucks, and it has a handful of stuff in it. So that's what I chose. So this is a Mother's Day gift for me, so I'm very excited. So if you guys want to see what's inside this box, then just keep watching. Alrighty, let's open this puppy up. Okay, something in here smells amazing, and the box is just absolutely beautiful. So the first thing I see is 20% off Zeno Activewear. I'm not sure if any of y'all want to use that coupon. I'll go ahead and show you. So it has this right here as well. This box was designed by artist Sonia Romero. It has over $106 of beauty and lifestyle products with some of our favorite brands. There's that. And then there's this, and it shows you everything that you can get inside. I'm not going to look at it yet right now. I kind of saw a little sneak peek of what's inside, but I wanted the rest of it to be kind of a surprise. So that's what the inside looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and pull off the first thing on the top. Again, this box smells amazing. This is sourced from Peru. This is a little keychain, and if you saw in my last unboxing, I actually got a handmade bracelet, which I did put in my giveaway, and this is honored to feature the keychain, handmade by local female textile artisans from Calapa, Peru. We are proud to support these artisans through sustainable, presentable, and creative, but I'm really bad. Empowers local entrepreneurs, 80% of who are women. This is really pretty. Definitely going to stick that on my keychain. I like that a lot, and I think Hunter would really like to play with that. So again, that's what that looks like. Like I said, very pretty. And that would normally, okay, that's not listed on here. Next up, I see this, which I'm actually very excited about this. So this is the Dove Cream Conditioner for thick and extremely damaged hair. My hair is not too thick, but it is not too damaged, but it's damaged enough to where I could definitely use this, and I love Dove products, and I really needed some like moisturizing conditioner, so I'm very excited about this. This usually is $4.99, it says. Next up is this, which I think is the one that smells really good. This is Halo Color Lab. Actually, maybe, no, I don't think this one is this. I think this might be a Yeah, this is a nail polish. Ooh, I'm not quite sure if I have a color like this. But this nail polish is limited edition. It's $12.95, and this is definitely more of a, it's called Cafe con Leche. And this is definitely, I mean, I'm pale, so definitely be a skin-toned kind of nail polish. But I like nail polishes like this. Matt's kind of funny because he likes more like different, fun, darker color nail polishes on me. But sometimes it's nice to have like a more nudie kind of nail polish. So that's really pretty. If I have one like this already, which I think I might, I will just keep this for a future giveaway. Next up is this Donna Karan Cashmere Mist, and this is $9.50. This long wearing, oh wait, this is $15. Wow. Experience the ultimate cult product featuring Donna Karan's iconic and luxury cashmere mist scent. This effective and gentle deodorant and antiperspirant will leave you feeling dry and silky, smooth and smelling fresh. Oh. Wow. Wow, this smells really freaking good. I have never used one like this. Well, we're going to use it. Okay, it feels like a deodorant. And I have deodorant on already. Wow, this smells really good. Okay, I am totally going to use this and actually see how it works. Like if it actually keeps me from sweating and stuff. We'll test this out. I'll test this out all day tomorrow. And then if you guys are curious about it, let me know. I'll put that down below. So like I said, that's $15. Ooh, so next up we got these right here. These are Ography Instant Lift Eye Mask. These are $26. That is crazy to me. But I love using these eye masks because, you know, being a mom, not much sleep and stuff, that's what it actually looks like. There's 3 in the pack that I just threw on the floor. And I like using these when I am like doing my eyeshadow and stuff sometimes, so it can actually like, you know, sit on my face. So I'm going to keep these right here next to my other ones that I have. Alright, next up is one that I am very excited about. I got the earrings. I don't know why I thought it was a necklace. Okay, these are really pretty. These are definitely ones that I would wear. I'm trying to kind of get more into wearing more jewelry and stuff like that. These are really pretty. So these are, holy crap, these are originally $78. The Simple and Chic, these earrings are a fresh take on the traditional gold hoop. These earrings post into the ear and are 24 karat gold filled. Wow. Well, they're very pretty. I would never spend that much. I mean, like, they are 24 karat gold, but I would never spend that much on a pair of earrings. But I'm excited to wear them. Those are gorgeous. Next up is a Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. And this is originally $9.50. I'm going to be putting that in my mascara, and I will be using that sometime soon. And last but not least is this right here, and it is a little bag, and it says, "Think it, want it, get it, Xano." And this bag is $15. I definitely would not spend $15 in a bag like this, but this bag is perfect for going out to the park, putting some lunch in, or just taking it where, you know, wherever you need. And yeah, like I said, that is it in this box. Very happy about it. I'm definitely going to use everything in it. Usually sometimes in a subscription box I'm kind of like, not quite sure if I'll use. I think the most thing that I'm excited about is to see how this deodorant, works, because it smells freaking incredible. Yeah. Like I said, if the nail polish don't work, I'll be putting that in a future giveaway. So, what do you guys think about this box? Would you spend $39.99 on it? I'm not quite sure I would spend, no. If I didn't get it on sale, it's definitely not something that I would be like, oh my gosh, I would spend $39.99 on it. But since I had a coupon code, I think for 20 bucks, this is an awesome box. I really, really like it. I love how you get a little variety of everything. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more unboxing videos. I do have another one coming up that I will be uploading here very soon. I'm very excited about it. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this box. Be sure you hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. Also hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodaloo.